Here is the sign for possible. Okay, we're going to use both hands, and the hand shape is the same. It's going to be the letter S. All right, the quick way is to say, put up your dukes. Aha, those are S's. The long way, we go like this, fingers together, all the way down, thumb in front. We have 2 S's. Now take those S's and put them about here, about shoulder height, and we're just going to go down twice. 1, 2. All right, possible. Possible. From the side, possible. From the other side, possible. All right, from the front again. From the rest position, sign with me. Let's do it 3 times. Here we go. Possible. Possible. At the same time, you could give a facial expression, a head nod, giving extra oomph that it is possible, right? Maybe someone's just arguing against you. No, there's no way to do it. And you're like, no, it's possible. Once again, the hand shapes are the letters S. They're just fists. We're going to put them about here, palms facing, kind of tilted down and forward, right? Now we're just going to go down twice. 1, 2. So we have possible. We just talked about how to sign possible.